Raita is an Indian condiment that's usually served on the side of curries and made with yogurt and cucumber. But why not change it up and instead of using cucumber, try carrot. Carrot has a really great texture to it and it's also super crunchy. To that, I'll add some raisins for an extra pop of sweetness. Some garam masala, which is a mixed spice. And when I'm making my raita, I like to use it in natural yogurt. So it's creamier than Greek yogurt and thicker than your regular yogurt. And I want to add 1 tub of the yogurt straight over our carrots. And this one's a great option because it's made with 100% Australian cream and milk. I'll also add a pinch of salt and a little mint to freshen the whole thing up. So you can imagine serving this with a spicy curry. And what I like to do with the mint is just gather it all up, scrunch it together and fold. And the term is chiffonade, which just means finely shredding the mint. And then we'll pop that into our raita. Give that a really good mix, folding all of the ingredients together. And you can make this ahead of time if you like. So you can imagine serving this delicious tangy raita with a hot spicy curry. It's the perfect condiment. Or why not make it into a dip and serve it with a little bit of roti. Cut that up. I'm gonna have a taste. It's very good.